What if I told you that a simple 10-minute walk after dinner could do more for your blood sugar than an hour on the treadmill? Sounds too good to be true, but the science backs it up. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why. Every time you eat carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises. For most healthy people, the body handles this smoothly. But for the over 100 million Americans living with diabetes or prediabetes, that post-meal spike can go dangerously high, damaging blood vessels, increasing inflammation, and raising the risk of serious complications over time. The question is, what can you do about it right after every meal? Here's the science, and it's actually pretty fascinating. Your muscles are the largest glucose-absorbing tissue in your body. When they contract, even during light walking, they can pull glucose directly out of your bloodstream through a separate pathway that doesn't require insulin to function. This means that even if your insulin response is impaired, your muscles are still working. Every step you take is literally clearing glucose from your blood.
And now, the study that changes everything. Researchers at the University of Otago in New Zealand tested two groups of type 2 diabetics. One group took a single 30-minute daily walk. The other took 3 10-minute walks, one after each meal. Same total exercise time. The post-meal walkers had 12% better blood sugar control. Timing was everything. So when exactly should you walk? The sweet spot is 15 to 30 minutes after finishing your meal, right as glucose from digestion is peaking in your bloodstream. Walk for just 10 to 15 minutes at a comfortable, conversational pace. You don't need to power walk. You just need to move.
If you can only do one post-meal walk, make it after dinner. Research shows dinner walks produce the most significant blood sugar benefit, partly because dinner is usually the largest meal of the day, and partly because most Americans spend their evenings completely sedentary on the couch. Look at this graph. Same meal, same person. The red line shows what happens to blood sugar when you sit on the couch after dinner. It spikes high and stays elevated for hours. The green line shows what happens with just a 10-minute walk. The peak is lower, the drop is faster, and the body returns to normal much more quickly. One habit, dramatic difference. Making this work in real life is simpler than you think. Take a family walk after dinner. Even 10 minutes around the block. Put on a podcast or your favorite playlist and walk while you listen. Set a phone reminder for 20 minutes after your typical dinner time. If you're at work, a single loop around the parking lot after lunch counts. The goal is making it so easy that you actually do it.
Here's a bonus benefit nobody talks about. That post-dinner walk doesn't just help your blood sugar, it also improves your sleep. When blood sugar is more stable going into the night, your body spends less energy managing glucose swings and more energy in the deep, restorative sleep stages. Better blood sugar, better sleep from a 10-minute walk. One important note, if you manage diabetes with insulin or medication, please talk to your doctor before making changes to your activity routine. Post-meal walks can lower blood sugar meaningfully, and your dosage may need adjustment. Let's recap. Walk within 15 to 30 minutes after eating. Just 10 to 15 minutes is enough. And the post-dinner walk gives you the biggest blood sugar benefit of the day. That's it. Simple, free, and backed by real science. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. We post new health tips every week right here. Drop a comment below. Are you going to try the post-dinner walk tonight? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.